Hello, it's CraftyRia, and I am so glad you are joining me today for the Fall Fest collab. This collaboration is hosted by CraftyRia's, and we have about 26 ladies that are participating. At least as of the time that I'm filming this video, I believe the last count was 26. So I will have everybody's channel linked in my description box below. Please hop on over and check them all out. There'll be some giveaways, and it will just be a lot of fun. The collab is the Fall Fest collaboration, so we're doing a combination of fall and Halloween projects, and it was artist's choice. So of course I'm working with paper. If you know me, you know I love working with paper and making cards and that sort of thing. I wanted to put this cool piece of paper down so you didn't just see my plain workspace. I'm going to go ahead and zoom back out so I can show you the projects that I made for the collab. I featured these two paper packs. This was the Celebrate Autumn paper pack from Echo Park, and then the Trick or Treat paper pack from Echo Park. So these are the two of the main sources of paper that I used in my projects. So of course, if you know me, you know that I love to make cards. So the first items I made for the collab are cards, and I made a fall card and a Halloween card. The fall card has the background paper, one of the cut-aparts, and one of the another cut-apart there. And these gorgeous acorns were from some Happy Mail that I received. So I thought that went really good for a fall card. And then this card may be one of my all-time favorite cards that I ever made. This Creep It Real was one of the cut-aparts. I mounted it on some orange glitter paper, and then I used a scrap of orange and black glittery cardstock in the back, and I put some googly eyes on there. I love it. And then just some ribbon at the top, and of course both cards are blank inside. So we have these two cards. I will set them aside. And then the next thing I made some cute little booklets. I received a pack of 3 of these little mini composition books in Happy Mail recently, so I decided I would recover them. This is a fall one using papers from the Echo Park collection. I used some washi tape along the spine. These are some felt leaves that I got in some recent Happy Mail, and I left the inside alone, and this adorable little composition notebook. This is one of the stickers from that Echo Park paper pack. And then there's this one. I love this little girl. She's so cute. It says "Too Cute to Spook." And I love this paper with the jack-o'-lanterns all over it. I left the spine alone because I thought the black went with it. It's a little piece of black glitter paper she's mounted on. And the back I used the candy paper. And again, it's just the little mini book inside. So I have those two projects. Now these two projects I thought were really cool. I'll start with the fall one. I made an envelope flip book. Again, I used some of the larger cut-aparts from the Echo Park collection. I put a leaf from a sprig of flowers, and then that yellow flower I received in Happy Mail recently. And on the inside, again, I used this large cut-apart. It was a 4x6, so I trimmed it down. I added some ribbon that I got in Happy Mail recently. I put all kinds of stickers on that side that I thought matched pretty well. And inside of it, I have some goodies. I have that cut apart And it has a pattern on the back as well. These are some pumpkin die cuts that I thought went well with this because I have this that says pumpkin patch, and I picked that because it matches that little pumpkin and it matches the top of that same design, kind of carrying it all together. And put this in the back. And the little tag that says, "I'm nuts about you." I just had a little scrap of the ribbon that matches the envelope. And I will stick that back in there. And then the next page, it has this cute owl that says "thankful" on some beautiful green glitter paper. It matches the color of the owl. Some more of that same ribbon that I got in Happy Mail, and some stickers from that collection. I thought they all went well together. This was a cut apart. It was a square, but I went ahead and fussy cut around that to make it look like a file folder, just kind of sitting in there like that. This was a tag cut apart. I trimmed it down and I added this beautiful ribbon with the foiled leaves on it. And the back has that pretty orange paper. I thought maybe having it like that would be good. And then here are some of these. These are pumpkins and leaves and acorns that match those. I got it in Happy Mail, and I have a little packet of them to go in there. And then on the back, we have this cute little guy. And these are just 3 envelopes put together to make this little book, this little flip book. And then the same thing for this book. It's made with 3 envelopes. And these are envelopes that measure 5.5, or for a card that measures 5.5 by 4. So I thought they worked really, really well. It's a perfect size. So here we have the large cut apart from the Halloween collection, the Trick or Treat collection. And on this ghost, I used the Clear Star glitter pen, and it adds a little bit of sparkle. And I also put some dots around and on the star so it looks like a starry night. I think the camera's picking it up pretty good. I have these cute little felt embellishments. I got those in Happy Mail recently, and I thought they went really, really cute on there. And then the first page is this other cut apart, again on some of that beautiful glitter paper. And this is a sheer black ribbon, but it has metallic boo on it, and I thought it looked really, really good. It goes so good on top of that glitter paper. And then over here, this was a border sticker that was in the collection, and I just cut it in half and then used some other stickers from the collection. I thought these little guys were cute. They kind of matched that little guy, and the haunted house I thought went really well there. So I have this cut apart. I just chomped the corners and added some ghost ribbon. I used the We Are Memory Keepers crocodile corner chomper to make the tags. And it just makes these little chomped corners for you very easily. And inside here is just a little baggie of die cuts. They are Trick or Treat bags, and I thought it went really cool with the theme of this page. And then hiding behind here is something I don't like at all. It is this spider, and I'm going to keep him hiding in the back because I don't want him in my craft room, because if he falls onto the floor, who knows what will happen. I will scream and bad things will happen. So I'm going to kind of put him there so he's kind of peeking out from behind that tag, and I will stick this in the back as well. Well, here, let me get this spider back out. Stick those in the back, and then Mr. Spider can just kind of be peeking out just a little bit. And then this page is this really cute witch. It says it's the most spooky time of the year. I went ahead and decorated it with a black cat, and that black cat in the back, more of those felt stickers that I got in Happy Mail, and the other half of that border. And here I just used one of those cut-aparts. I didn't want to put a ribbon on this one because it would ruin the top of the hat, but I did use that pen again and added some glitter, and on the back that's the little skeletons that are just so cute. I made this little Halloween tag from a scrap of paper, and then I used some more of that black ribbon that says boo. And then in here are just some little confetti, Halloween confetti. There's witches and bats and a ghost and the little jack-o'-lanterns. And that's hiding in there. And then on the back is the little skeleton. So there's that flip book. I really hope you enjoyed these projects. I made some videos to show in detail how I made all of these projects. Please check them out. They will be coming out over the next week or so, and as they come out, I will add links below as well. So I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways. I will be doing a fall giveaway and a Halloween giveaway. So for the fall giveaway, I will be giving away the 3 fall projects that I made: the fall card, the fall envelope flip book, and the fall mini notebook. So you'll get all 3 of these if you choose the fall giveaway. And then I will be doing a Halloween giveaway, and it will be having all 3 of these: the Halloween card, the Halloween flip book, and the Halloween mini book. So what you can do to enter my giveaway, I have a few rules. Number 1, please be a visible subscriber to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up down below, and you must be 18 years of age or older and have a U.S. mailing address. Leave me a comment below, but in the comment, if you're interested in winning the fall giveaway, leave the word fall or hashtag fall. If you would like to win the Halloween giveaway, leave a comment with hashtag Halloween. Now your comment can say anything else. I really do love nice comments. That would be awesome. But you can choose either hashtag fall or hashtag Halloween in your comment, and I will use those when I do the random picker. The giveaway will be open until Friday, October 9th at 11:59 p.m. I will announce the winner next week, next Saturday, October 10th. I will be choosing 2 winners, one for hashtag fall and one for hashtag Halloween. So whichever one you would like, please leave that in your comment below. Please do go check out all of the ladies in the collab. Great group of ladies, so much fun. I enjoy each and every one of them. I would like to thank Elsa for letting me know about the collab and inviting me to the collab. And thank you to CraftyRia's for hosting the collab. We've been communicating through email, and it is so much fun. I also have a Facebook group that I would love everybody to head on over to. It's called Create with CraftyRia, and I will have that link below as well. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.